hand. Try to combine a pose imperious with a demeanor nobly bland.
Let us combine a pose imperious with a demeanor nobly bland.
That's if anything too unending, too aggressively stiff and grand. Now to the other extreme you're tending, don't be so deucedly condescending.
Now to the other extreme you're tending, don't be so dreadfully condescending.
Oh, to please some noble seem, at first if anything too unbending, or we go to the other extreme, too confoundedly condescending.
Now a gavotte perform sedately, offer your hand with conscious pride. Take an attitude not too stately, still sufficiently dignified.
Now for an attitude not too stately, still sufficiently dignified.
Oncely, twicely, bow impressively ere you glide. Capital both, you caught it nicely. That is the style of thing precisely.
Capital both, you caught it nicely.